Executive Order 14,235, Restoring Public Service Loan Forgiveness, March 12, 2025. Purpose, Section 1. The Public Service Loan Forgiveness (PSLF) program was created in 2007 to encourage Americans to work in public service by offering student loan forgiveness after 10 years of full-time service in qualifying public service jobs. Making 10 years of qualifying monthly loan payments. Issues identified with PSLF. The prior administration allegedly abused the PSLF program by issuing loan forgiveness waivers for individuals who had not yet completed the required 10 years of service. Funds have allegedly been misdirected to activist organizations that do not align with the national interest, may harm national security, have engaged in criminal activity. The program allegedly creates financial distortions, including encouraging higher tuition costs, incentivizing students to take on large amounts of debt in low-need fields, directing students toward nonprofit organizations that might engage in activities harmful to national security or public order. National security concerns. The President asserts a duty to ensure that federal loan forgiveness funds do not support organizations that facilitate illegal immigration, human trafficking, and smuggling, engage in property damage, riots, or activities that undermine public safety, threaten national security. Policy change. PSLF eligibility will be revised to exclude organizations that engage in substantial illegal activities. Restoring Public Service Loan Forgiveness, Section 2. The Secretary of Education is directed to revise the PSLF regulations, 34 CFR 685.219, to exclude organizations that engage in illegal or harmful activities from PSLF eligibility. Categories of disqualified organizations. Organizations that aid or abet violations of immigration laws. Groups assisting in illegal entry into the U.S. under 8 U.S.C. 1325 or other immigration laws. Organizations supporting terrorism. Groups funding or facilitating the operations of cartels designated as foreign terrorist organizations, FTOs, under 8 U.S.C. 1189. Groups engaging in violence to obstruct or influence federal government policies. Organizations involved in child abuse. Groups facilitating gender transition treatments, chemical surgical procedures for minors. Groups trafficking minors across state lines for legal emancipation or gender transition purposes. Organizations engaged in systemic illegal discrimination. Groups involved in patterns of unlawful discrimination. Organizations violating state tort laws. Groups with a pattern of engaging in trespassing, disorderly conduct, public nuisance violations, vandalism, obstruction of highways. Overall summary. This executive order revises the Public Service Loan Forgiveness (PSLF) program to exclude organizations engaged in illegal or harmful activities from receiving federal loan forgiveness benefits. The Secretary of Education must update regulations to disqualify organizations that aid illegal immigration, support terrorism or criminal cartels, engage in child abuse or trafficking, violate anti-discrimination laws, repeatedly break state tort laws, e.g., trespassing, vandalism, or obstruction of public spaces. The order aims to prevent taxpayer funds from subsidizing organizations that threaten national security or undermine public order. Implementation will comply with existing laws and funding constraints and does not create new legal rights for individuals. Subscribe for more!